Hi, everybody. I'm Johnny the Jet Rodgers, number 20 for the 2020 Census. It's Census Day, y'all. April 1st, 2020, and I ain't joking. The reference day for the 2020 Census. We use this day to determine who is counted and where in the 2020 Census. The U.S. Census counts every resident in the United States. It is mandated by Article 1, Section 2 of the Constitution and takes place every 10 years. As of March 30th, 36.2% of households across America have responded to the 2020 Census since invitations began arriving in mailboxes on March 12th. That's over 50 million responses. In the Nebraska, 42.6% of the households have already responded to the 2020 Census. Some households in areas less likely to respond online have already received a paper questionnaire. You can fill it out and mail it back if you prefer. If you haven't responded online or by phone, you will receive a paper questionnaire between April 8th and April 16th. Use the census ID from your invitation or provide your address when you respond. Remember to respond from where you live as of April 1st and to count everyone who usually lives and sleeps in your home, even if they are staying somewhere else temporarily. This includes relatives, friends, roommates, and anyone else who lives and sleeps in your home most of the time. Even children under 5 and babies born on or before April 1st, even if they're in the hospital. We are strongly encouraging the public to respond to the 2020 Census online using a desktop computer, laptop, smartphone, or tablet. You can also respond by phone or mail. You can complete the 2020 Census online in English or in 12 other languages and find assistance in many more at 2020census.gov. It has never been easier to respond on your own, all without having to meet a census taker. Please make sure your friends, family, and social networks know about the importance of responding. While you are practicing social distancing, you can respond to the census while at home. The census is important to your community, and your response matters. We have a special message right now for college students who are at home due to COVID-19 outbreak. College students who usually live at school should be counted at school. If you live in student housing, no need to do anything. We're working with your college to count you. If you live off campus, be sure to respond online. Use the address where you live all semester and include all your roommates. By getting an accurate count, census results determines each state's representation in the United States House of Representatives and forms legislative district boundaries. Responses to the 2020 Census also shapes decisions about how hundreds of billions of dollars in federal, state, and local funds are spent in our communities each year, including funding for local hospitals and emergency services, healthcare clinics, emergency response, preparedness, and educational programs. The current situation is affecting the entire country and the entire world. First and foremost, the health and safety of our staff and the public remains of the utmost importance in everything we do. The leadership at the Census Bureau are carefully monitoring this situation and are following the guidance of federal, state, and local health authorities. The COVID-19 outbreak does not affect your ability to self-respond at all. The census is on like buttered popcorn, y'all, and people are responding in great numbers across America. People are stepping up and responding from home. We are still encouraging everyone to respond online, by phone, or through the mail. You can visit 2020census.gov for more information. Every day is game day, y'all. It's game on. You got to keep your eye on this goal. You count. Let's set a goal for Nebraska to have the most complete count in America, starting with North Omaha. We're in it to win it. We're number 1. Go Big Red.